Welcome to WebStylePress. In real web development, things can depend on each other. You can take indirect or direct reference and use that to manipulate DOM depending on what has been loaded in DOM. For example, if a certain part of DOM contains a class, you can add another class to page body depending on it. It will allow you to target whole page differently in CSS if it has got that special class. I will show you this via jQuery and via Vanilla JavaScript. Consider this content of the page. Let's say it's a partial that was loaded externally. It brought a certain class with it. Let's say intro area. Now our body has already got a class named as homepage. And by the way, this bootstrap is linked via cdn.js for basic styling, and this custom.css file is linked, and we have got jQuery and we have got custom.js file. This is our CSS file, this is custom.js file, and let's proceed. So if our content has got intro-area class, we can add another class to body here besides this home page. Then we can style our page based on that newly added class in body. Whole page, not just the content area. I'm not talking about styling this area. I'm talking about if we have got this class in this area, whether it's just this area or it was loaded as a partial from outside. If this area has got this class, we can check this class and we can add another class in body tag, and then based on that class we can style whole page. Let's do it. First of all, let's do CSS. So we have got the homepage class. At body tag homepage dot page intro, we will apply this class page hyphen intro. If homepage or body tag has got class page intro, then background color will be darker and color will be white. Save. So if homepage class has got page dash intro class, we are changing background color and text color. But homepage having class page intro depends on this class being present here, intro dash area. So we will check this class. If this class is present here, we will add page dash intro class here, and then style for the page will change. We'll do it via jQuery and then via JavaScript. So this is via jQuery. Document.ready. So when DOM is ready, if our container has got class, like if container has class, this intro area, let's put it inside if, then body add class page dash intro. Else here we will remove the class. remove class, same class. Okay. So when DOM is ready, if container has got class named as intro-area, then add page-intro class to body tag, or in other case remove that class from body tag. So we have got this class intro area. Let's refresh this page, and as you can see, background and color has changed. If I remove this class now, save, refresh, and as you can see, that styling was removed because we don't have that special body class now. If I will add that class here, and now I will refresh, this body tag will receive another class, page intro. And then if we've got this page intro, then we've got this style here. Let's repeat this process in Vanilla JavaScript. So for document.ready in Vanilla JavaScript, we'll do it like this. Document.add event listener DOM content loaded, and then check class. We'll fire a function. So we attached an event listener on document to observe when DOM is loaded. When it's loaded, we are firing a function. That function is this check class. Function check class. And now we will just comment this code. And this was our code for jQuery. So if document.query selector container class list dot contains intro area document.query selector body dot class list dot add this class, else document.query selector body class list dot remove and page intro. So this is same logic that we applied here in jQuery, that same logic here in JavaScript, but note the differences. Document.query selector instead of this $sign, and then to check the class, instead of .has class, we are using .class list contains this class name, and then instead of add class, we are using class list .add page intro. And to remove it, for as an alternative for remove class, we're using class list dot remove and then class name. Save, refresh, and we've got the same result. If I remove this class from here, save, refresh, and as you can see, page is back to normal. And if we use this class, then we'll get another class here, and as you can see, page-intro class was added and our style for page was changed. And that's that. By using this technique, you can change page styling if different content is loaded in page. Alright, like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.